So how fun is this if you love cake decorating? So it's 2 bags, 2 flavors. Put them together. They each have like a half-size coupler. And then put them together with these choice of 3 mega tips. I am making cupcakes for Preston's birthday party. And the Twixit clip squeezes the icing down. So it's a camo birthday. Yeah, I have icing on me. It's a camo birthday. So I am combining 2 flavors of icing, chocolate, as you can see, and s'mores to make it camo colors. Yeah, it's not sugar-free. It is not a health food. Ooh, and you can be messy. Look at that. You can be messy and still have cute cupcakes. So this was 1 box of cake mix, and I used the large cookie scoop to dip them out, the batter. So I didn't do quite 2 dozen. I'm trying to think. I think I was short 1 row. So maybe like 20 cupcakes and 2 jars of icing is enough. So 1 jar on one side, 1 jar on the other side. So 2 jars of icing, 1 cake mix, and this is the very last one, and there is enough in here to finish squeezing that. And now I have some cute little sprinkles I'll add to it. I have black, green, gold, and super cute for the teenager. I can't believe it, a teenager in the house. It's all good. Okay, now to put the sprinkles on, that's a little black. I'm using a little black and then a little gold. This is just from Walmart, one of those packets. And how cute is that? I do have I did have some brown ones too, but I think the black shows up better than the others. And then I'm gonna put it on the cupcake stand. I'll be back to show you the final result. I'm at the tail end of it here, the last few to sprinkle. So a tip, I do like to wear food handlers, gloves, when I am making food for other people, but also it keeps me from licking that icing because I don't need it. So if I have gloves on, it makes me think twice of just to lick that off real quick. How cute is that? Somebody's home. Look what Mommy made.
Oh, but
do you want to see?
where's the confetti cupcakes? Oh,
It's in there. You want to say hi?
hi. Can I say hi?
Oh, look. There's Nancy too. You want to say hi? Well, you're not in it.
Hi. What's up?
Who's home from school?
What's up, the baby?
Oh. And there it is, all ready for the party. Put the extra on the Pampered Chef entertaining trays. Ice cream will go in the back there. And we're having pizza. Preston's favorites. Pizza and chips, cake and ice cream for the 13-year-old. Okay, well now that I'm done, I wasn't planning on taking a video because you know how it is when you're getting ready for a party and who has time to do one more thing, and I was like, I gotta do this, you know. This is an item that's new in our fall line, 2023. So it comes with a Twixit clip. It's like, well, I'll show you now. I'll take it apart and show you how easy it was to fill it up. So this coupler, it might be a little messy. So this coupler goes on there. I did take some pictures before I got started. See how it's like two halves, comes together to make one. And a really easy way of filling it, I put the bag down in the measure-all cup. I don't want to get it dirty. I put it down in there and strapped it over the sides and filled it just with the icing spreader. And super duper easy. Again, I used 2 containers of icing and it was the perfect amount. This is what's left over, right there. Everything cleans up easily. It is dishwasher safe. I'm just gonna spray them down with some hot water. And this stuff, we just toss it. Thanks for watching.